Hello, welcome back to another episode, the second episode of Michael Talks to the Camera. I'm here again in my workshop in the back section of my storefront in Lancaster City. Just saying hi again. I wanted to show off all these plants that I have while I have them here because they're super cool. For one thing, for the wedding that I just did this past, it's a week today. I've been married for a full week. I made a living wall for the entrance to the reception. So I bought a ton of these golden pothos plants, and I built a wooden structure to slide them all in. So it was just a big green wall like you see behind me. I probably spent too much time doing this today, just sorting all these plants back here. But you could see from the last videos, the plants that I usually have back here, these aren't usually back here, but I thought it'd be fun because I have them still in my store. I bought them from Home Depot and I'm gonna return most of them. It's a wedding hack. Another fun plant hack that I wanted to share with you. The 10 plants that I have back here, they're all watered automatically every day. I have an automatic pump that's timed for every 12 hours for 2 minutes. They water all my plants. So all I have to do is fill up a jug once every couple days. And my plants are thriving because of it. Here, let me show you what I have. You could see all the ones before that were right behind me, but what you haven't seen are the ones up here. They're all hanging. And there's a beautiful skylight that provides an enormous amount of perfect light to keep them all happy and thriving. You can see these guys with their huge leaves really going at it. Those two are new. They're part of the wedding batch that I hung up there earlier this week. So yeah, that's all pretty exciting. And that's really what I wanted to share with you today. It was just all the plants that I have because they're so cool and I need to take them back. Don't tell Home Depot that I'm doing that, but you know, big box stores, they can deal with it, right? So, yay! Hope you all are having a wonderful day. It's Friday. We have the weekend coming up. Hope you have some fun plans that are COVID safe. Yeah, things are going crazy again, so we'll see what happens. I hope you enjoyed this shorter episode. I feel like the last one was really long and I don't think many people got to the end of it. But if you made it to the end of this one, thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Have fun and enjoy the adventure. Should make like that by call sign for the end of every episode or something. Anyways, cheers. See y'all later.